Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not spear fingers. This is spear fingers. What am I doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a first impression try on haul. This is actually my first time doing a first impression try on haul. If this is your first time on my channel, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you some time. So we're gonna sit down, we're gonna wait until you subscribe if this is your first time. Don't keep everybody waiting. Just go down there, use your thumb, use your index fingers or your pinky or your middle finger to press subscribe. Come on, if you haven't, I'm waiting. You press subscribe yet? We're trying to learn something here. Are you ready? You press subscribe? Okay, so today's video, now that you have subscribed, is all about the clothes. I recently purchased some t-shirts. I wasn't so comfortable purchasing the bottom from this website, so I went on this website called Romwe and I decided to test them out. And you didn't hear this from me, okay? You guys didn't hear anything coming out of this mouth in this video. The person in this video didn't say jack about this, okay? Romwe and Shein, somebody sitting side to side. One person is using a Mac computer and the other one's using a Windows desktop. You definitely didn't hear from me. I didn't say anything. Zip. So this video is all about the clothes. I'm going to show you guys what I ordered in this heavy bag right here. Thoughtful me, I wanted to wait and show you guys what I bought as a first impression. So let's get to this business. I bought about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I didn't buy 5. I know I bought 13. Yeah, I bought 13 pieces. Why is it not? Oh, okay. I bought 6 blouses. 6. I bought 2 t-shirts, 3 sweatshirts, 1 jacket, 1 sweater. Is this my order or am I tripping? I don't think this is mine. I don't know if this is my order, but it has my name on it. Like I said, Romwe and Shein are about the same website, so they probably mixed something up in here because this doesn't sound right. But we'll see. Okay, we will see. But you didn't hear from me that they're the same website. We will see. So let me open up this bag for y'all. But I decided to go more of a relaxed type of fit because I know website like this you don't want to go up a price and buy cute blouses. So I did more of a t-shirt type of order. My first t-shirt was this right here, and it's a, can y'all see this? Work hard, pray harder. If you don't know, I am a Christian. I'm really big on, you know, I'm not ashamed of the gospel. So everything that I do is all about my faith. But I got this t-shirt. So I'm going to try this t-shirt out and we'll be right back. Looking at this in the mirror is not bad. It fits like a small. Like it doesn't fit like a medium, if I'm making sense. I feel like when I wear a medium shirt, it doesn't, for my arms, mediums don't tight up like this. A small normally tightens up these arms right here, because you know we be lifting weights and stuff. But this fits like a small, but I like how the material feels. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a regular t-shirt that you would buy at the mall, in my opinion. I really don't have nothing wrong with this t-shirt. It's actually not bad. It's cute. So for this next fit, I got a one size fit. It's like a stripe. I'm big on brightening up my closet. I don't really like to stick with one color. Half sleeve or a long sleeve t-shirt. It looks like this. Very, very casual looking. And it has like a little smiley face on it, if y'all can see that. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So this is how the t-shirt looks like. The t-shirt is not bad at all. Like it is a one size fit all. So for me, it's like I wouldn't say it's bad at all. I think this is probably gonna be my favorite t-shirt of the whole entire collection, but I don't want to speak too soon. Okay, I don't want to say it's gonna be my favorite without trying on the rest. I love the color. It looks exactly like the picture on the website, and I must say, Romwe, Shein, Run Shein, you guys pulled it through with this one. I like it. I really do. I like this t-shirt a lot. I like it. I like it a lot. Outfit or t-shirt is the one size fit all t-shirt again, and it looks like this in the bag. It's like a peach looking. It gives you like a retro vibe, which I love retro vibe. It's 2 different colors on the sleeve. I love the colors. Okay, the color is pretty dope. I love the color. The color is dope. It looks just like the picture. Just looking at it, I just know I'm gonna fall in love with this. It's a nice color. I'll say this about this t-shirt. I know if you wash it and you dry it in the dryer, it's going to shrink. Just for the fact that it feels like one of those t-shirts that you cannot dry with heat or else it's going to shrink. This t-shirt is beautiful. I love the color. It does look like the picture. My next purchase was another one of the loose medium shirts. It looks like this. It doesn't look like a medium. It really looks like a small. I don't know. It looks like a crop top. But the way this t-shirt looks to me is not how I imagine it to look like. I am going to try it on and let you guys see how it turned out on me. But this t-shirt feels very, very non-stretchable, but you can tell that it is, well, see, I told y'all. Ooh, Romwe, you try to play me. Ooh, y'all try to play. You guys see this? It's Shein.
What is your problem? I ain't never ever seen y'all act like this.
Dog, I told you, didn't hear from me. You didn't see this video. It didn't come out my mouth, but it looks like this. I don't know, y'all. I just don't know. I just don't know about this t-shirt. When I did try this t-shirt on, the picture made it seem like it was one of those, you know, baggy shirts. That was my whole entire theme when I decided to shop on Romwe, not Shein. This is not gonna be my favorite t-shirt, but I mean, it'll look cute with like skinny jeans. I was hoping for this to be a little bit loose, but I don't know, maybe if we lose some weight. It might work out, or maybe if Shein get it together. Romwe. Next outfit. My next outfit was this colorful shirt, and it looks like this. I didn't want this to look like a small, but this is a medium. Anything that you order from Shein or Romwe, you gotta go up a size. On the website, this does show that it fits kind of loose. And instead of ordering a small, I decided to go up a medium. Yeah, we're just going to make it work. I don't like it at all. I'm going to say it right now. I don't like it because I look like a uncle. If you are African, you know exactly what I'm talking about. One of those uncles that like to wear different brands. Versace, Gucci, Guess, Tommy Hilfiger. I feel like that, okay? I don't know if I'm going to like this shirt depending on how I wear it. The fact that I thought it was gonna come a little bit looser and not like a spandex dry fit workout shirt that I have. I don't like the texture to this shirt, and I don't like the fact that a medium looks like a small. Next outfit. I got this yellow one size fit all sweatshirt. It looks like this. It's a yellow bubbly straight line looking shirt. I love the style though. The style is really nice. I love the little stripes. I don't know, I feel like yellow is like my color. Yellow looks nice on me. We have a problem. This is supposed to be like a one size fit all sweatshirt. It feels like a small. It doesn't feel like a one size fit all because one, right here we ain't slim, okay? We got a little pudge, okay? We got a little pudge. Romwe, like you and Shein are working together. Like somebody has to let somebody know, like, hey, this doesn't look right on my Shein website. Let's make it look right on Romwe. It seems like it's impossible for y'all to get this right. Like, I'm gonna take this off, okay? And the sleeves stops right here. I was hoping for it to stop like right here, but it stops right here. It's a cute sweatshirt, but it just doesn't fit my liking. It does not look like the picture. My next look, I got this nice, it's like a zip up. This is a large, and it looks like this in person. It looks like a freaking medium, in my opinion. It does not look like a large. I'm gonna try this on, and I'm gonna be right back. This is not a large. This is a medium. For someone like me, I'm thick. You guys see that I'm a little thick. I'm not no stick. I'm thick. This is supposed to be a large. This doesn't fit like a large. Once again, the sleeves aren't where it's supposed to be. And if you do this, I'm gonna rip this. It's gonna rip if I pick up something. Like, I don't know how it's gonna fit if I do wear something underneath it. That's another problem. But it does look like the picture. I am gonna say it does look like the picture. But I like the style though. Oh, jeez, I can't even put my hoodie on. Dang, Romwe, I can't even put my hoodie on. For real, sis? No, I can't even put the hoodie on because the hoodie's so small. Or is it the hood? Whatever you call this thing. I can't even put it on and get my mellow on. This will look good on a skinny person, okay? Not a thick girl like me. But when I am skinny, we're going to try it again. But right now, I'll give this like a 5. My next outfit is the sweatshirts. And it's a large. A large. It's a WTF sweatshirt. It's not the word, but it's where's the food sweatshirt. And I like it. I really do. I feel like this is going to fit me. I have hopes, high hopes that this will fit me. And it does look like the picture on the website. So let's try this on and get some smile on my face. Okay. I like this. This fits me really well. I feel comfortable. It's like, no, it fits like a medium. I'm not gonna lie. It fits like a medium. So mediums this is how mediums look on me. This is not a large. I feel like a large would be a little bit bigger. But definitely a medium. It looks like the picture. Next outfit. My next outfit, I got this in a large. It's a nice little retro color looking like sweatshirt. Well, it is a sweatshirt. What am I talking about? I feel like I look like a little boy that you tell them to go sit down and they don't listen. I feel like, I mean, I'm not gonna be negative and say the sweatshirt is ugly. The sweatshirt is really nice. It does fit like a medium. It doesn't feel like a large at all. It fits like a medium. It's really loose. The size is a large, but it fits like a medium. I would say this website is not for curvy, thick girls because their website is, I don't know how they imagine people to look when they put these sizes out there, but this is not a realistic large. My next outfit, I got a millennium. Everybody pronounce this differently, okay? I got this. I'm gonna try this out. It looks just like the picture on the website. This was affordable price for a t-shirt and I like the color. I wanted it in black. It actually came, they had a sweatshirt with this, but I figured it's about to get hot. I need something that I could wear every day. Why not get the t-shirt? So I'm gonna try this on and we're gonna come back with an honest review. You already know what I'm about to say. This was supposed to be a medium. It fits like a small. My arms don't feel like it's a medium. The shirt is cute or whatever, but it doesn't fit like a medium. But I like the shirt. I can barely lift my arms up without the shirt lifting up. Yeah, if you are a thick girl, a big chest girl, the shirt will not fit you how you expect it to fit. I'll let you know that right now. Next shirt. I got this t-shirt in the size medium and it's the word nope. We're gonna try this out and see if it's a nope. I feel like if you really do have like a thick girl order from Shein or Romwe, you will get their true opinion on this because this website is made for girls who wear is 00 to probably a size 3. Next fit, I got this different design looking shirt. And this shirt is also in a medium. I was hoping for the shirt to be a lot longer than what it is right now, but it doesn't look like it. I'm not gonna say this shirt is bad. It fits just like a medium should fit. I am gonna say this is actually the first shirt that I actually would say it fits like a medium because it is a medium. The shirt doesn't really look like the picture when it comes to the length. I was hoping for the shirt to be longer because in the picture, if you guys have seen on the website, they made the shirt look a lot longer. It will fit better on a skinny girl that's like a size 0 or a 1 or 2 or 3. But someone like me who's a size 5, 6, 7, 8, not so much. Last but not least, I got this maroon one size fit all sweatshirt. It doesn't fit like I expected it to fit. It's more like on the crop top side. It's a nice color. Shein, you try to play me.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay, you think you can do this to me?
So to end this video, was I impressed with Romwe? No, I wasn't, because off of everybody else reviews, Romwe seems to be, you know, legit, which it is. So we had a problem with one of the hoodies off of Romwe. So the word on the sweatshirt was supposed to be, I am a woman, man, I am proud. I did it my way. This is the best. It didn't make no sense because I was reading exactly what the sweatshirt says. But when you look at the sweatshirt, you notice that who is running this company? And I'm not trying to be mean and bash this company, but I'm just saying, they spelled proud wrong. And the whole entire sentence didn't even make sense. I don't think this website is really playing it fair, in my opinion, because I feel like Romwe and Shein are the same website. If they would just stick with the same name, it would be a whole lot easier for people to shop off there. But the fact that it's like 2 different names on one website is what really frustrates me. I shopped on Romwe, not Shein, and you sent me a shirt from Shein. So it's like, you guys are playing games, you know, you play me for my money. But if you guys like this video and you like my honesty, thumbs up this video, subscribe. The outfits were alright, but I wasn't snatched.